This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Angular roaming and signing in. Grant location and network permissions so the app can manage connections. Once done, enable the roaming toggle and pick a network profile, 4G or 5G, because signal choice affects speed and battery. Make sure to set your APN if your carrier requires it, then choose your billing plan and a data cap, for example 2 GB, to avoid surprise charges. This gets you connected and protected before you travel. Once connected, configure Angular roaming's rules to make the connection resilient and cost-efficient. You'll set automatic switching thresholds so the app falls back when signal drops below a threshold, and prioritize Wi-Fi versus cellular to save data. Then schedule roaming windows and grant per app permissions so only necessary apps use expensive data. Also enable compression and VPN routing, and choose regional gateways to reduce latency. This balances performance, cost, and security. To finish, run Angular roaming's connection test and watch live usage so you confirm throughput and gateway latency. Aim for under 150 ms. If the service fails to register, update carrier settings, restart your modem or phone, and reapply the APN. These quick steps often restore service. Should billing or unexpected disconnects persist, export the app logs and contact support with diagnostics. This final check ensures reliability, and if things go wrong, diagnostics speed up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.